Welcome to Rat Rod Rockstars.
Today I'm going to show you how to change a distributor cap and rotor button on a 454 Vortec.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch more videos.
Stay tuned to see how I do it.
Vortex is going to be the power plant for our 54 Bel Air.
So the first thing we have to do is take the belt off, which means we have to take the square end of the ratchet and stick it down in this hole. And I unhooked all the wires from the compressor. Now I just have to take out these 4 bolts. I gotta take off this bolt up here and then the screw and this one. All these wires loose. I'm going to take this nut out, and then there's 2 more at the bottom, and then there's 1 more up here that I'll take out. There's a line of bolts that comes down right here. I just gotta take this one off now. I took off this these 2 bolts and moved it off to the side, and I took off the exhaust line in the back and I plugged up all the wires. So now I gotta take this row loose. There's one here, 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 and I'm probably gonna have to take that one out. This is a boot, and took it off of here. Should just be able to pick it up and move this thing out of my way now. So now we can easily get to the distributor now that we've got everything else out. If we look at the cap window, that one screw's got to come out here and go in, and one goes in here. So that's what we got to take them off at. Okay, so the typical firing order for a small block Chevy is 184366572. And if you look really closely on here, you can see the numbers are printed. And on a Chevy, or most Chevy, the odds are on the driver's side and the evens are on the passenger side. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these over here and match them up with what they match up on this side, and do the same with the other side. What I'm doing now is I'm taking out these 2 screws back here to replace the rotor cap. Bolts onto the back of the intake, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything up first. So this goes to the little orange thingy. And then this one. how you have to change a distributor cap on a Vortex motor. It might not be the fastest way, but we find it's the easiest with the least complications. You might also want to change or clean the throttle body while you're in there. It's just while you're torn down how far we did. We just didn't video it. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
This week and this week only, you can subscribe for free. It expires at the end of the week, so make sure you like and subscribe this week. Thanks, Rat Rod Bob. Make sure to go check him out too.